Hello guys, and today I will show you how to make a dog water microphone. The best microphones to make the worst sounds are either external microphones like on gaming headsets, which I'm using right now, but I recommend um using the camera microphones. So first you get your microphone, which in this example will be the um the the best worst microphone ever, the um camera microphone, and all you have to do is make sure it's like plugged in into your PC. Then right here where it shows like sound, go like this, then sounds, click on sounds, and then right here just click on recordings. Sorry, click on recordings and it'll show you this microphone boost, which yeah, so you can like mess around with this, like see how it's like changing. It sounds like way worse. So name it that and just put it on highest level for audio, and just put highest level on every single level. And then for advanced, like right here, it usually will put like DVD quality, but I need you to put the lowest quality. So you can find out what the lowest quality is either by going here or just like looking at the number. The lower the number, the worse the quality. Or right here, like DVD quality is mid, but tape recorder quality is insanely bad. So after that, all you have to do is just click apply. Bam, we have our Dogwater microphone. I'm gonna turn this microphone on in a second, and we'll see how it should sound like. Okay, so guys, as you can see right now, I have the most dog water microphone ever. It sounds super bad. So now you can make make moments like these.